Hey everyone, and welcome. If you're a recent tech grad and you're hunting for a serious career launchpad, then you've absolutely come to the right place. Today, we're breaking down a huge opportunity from a major player in the cloud and data world, NetApp.
Okay, no wasting time, let's jump right in. This little snapshot tells you everything you need to know at a glance. We are talking about a software engineer role, heavy on C and C++. The package? It's looking like around 12 lakhs per annum, plus a bonus, plus stock, and it's based in Bangalore with a hybrid model. For a fresher role, especially in the systems domain, this is a top-tier package. So let's break it down.
So, let's kick things off with the big announcement itself. What exactly is NetApp putting on the table for graduates in 2025?
First off, NetApp is a powerhouse, a leader in cloud and data infrastructure. They're on the lookout for full-time, entry-level software engineers to work with C and C++. But I want you to pay close attention to that last line. University hiring/freshers. This isn't just another junior job. This is a role built from the ground up to be a career launchpad for new graduates just like you.
That brings us to our second section, and it's a big one. Are you the right fit for this? This is where we look at the checklist and see if your profile matches what NetApp is searching for. Let's see if this has your name written all over it.
The good news is, the basic eligibility is refreshingly simple. It's open to graduates with a whole range of degrees, BTech, MTech, MCA, you name it. And look at that experience line, 0 years required. They're not looking for prior work experience. The only real hard requirement is that you've got to be willing to work out of Bangalore, and it's a hybrid setup.
Okay, now for the techie stuff. This is what they really want to see. You need solid, hands-on skills in C and C++. I mean, really know your stuff. Since this is a systems-level role, a deep dive into Unix/Linux system programming, multithreading, and OS internals is going to be key. And of course, the foundation of it all, strong data structures and algorithms, that's a complete non-negotiable.
Now I know what some of you might be thinking, but wait, I don't know the first thing about data storage. We'll take a deep breath, because that's okay. NetApp is being super clear here. While knowing about the storage domain is a nice bonus, it is explicitly not mandatory. They're willing to teach you that part, as long as your core programming fundamentals are rock solid.
And it's not all about the code, right? What kind of person are they looking for? They need sharp problem solvers, people who can really dig in and debug tricky issues. You've also got to be able to communicate your ideas clearly, both on paper and when you're talking. Ultimately, they want someone who's a great team player, but can also just get stuff done on their own.
So if you're ticking all those boxes, you might be wondering, what's the job actually like? Let's get into the day-to-day, what you'll really be doing as an engineer at NetApp.
Okay, this is it. Your main mission, should you choose to accept it, will be to develop and improve ONTAP. This is NetApp's flagship product, their crown jewel, the absolute heart of their technology. We're not talking about some side project here. You'll be working on their core product from day one. That's huge.
So what in the world is ONTAP? Well, think of it like the master brain that manages insane amounts of data across these really complex hybrid cloud setups. It's a powerful, super sophisticated piece of tech, and getting to work on it as a new engineer is an incredible opportunity.
This means you're not just going to be coding in a corner. You'll be part of the entire software development lifecycle. You'll be working with the quality assurance folks, the system engineers, even the support teams to figure out what real customers are dealing with. And you'll be debugging some seriously complex problems in massive distributed systems. Talk about a fantastic way to learn.
All right, let's talk about the part I know everybody's been waiting for, the complete reward package. What's NetApp offering in terms of salary, bonuses, and all the other good stuff?
So the headline number here is an approximate base salary, or CTC, of 12 lakhs per annum. Let me tell you, for an entry-level job straight out of university, that is a very, very competitive number in the Indian tech scene.
But wait, there's more. On top of that base salary, you can expect a one-time joining bonus, somewhere in the range of 1.5 to 2 lakhs. That's immediate cash in your pocket right when you get started.
And the compensation doesn't even stop there. You'll also be offered what are called restricted stock units, or RSUs. What does that mean? It means you literally get to own a piece of the company. It gives you a real long-term stake in its success, which is awesome.
And it's not just about the money, right? The benefits package here is just loaded. You get that hybrid work model for a good work-life balance, 40 hours of paid time off to go volunteer, full-blown medical insurance, and even help paying for more education.
They even offer legal and financial planning support, which is an amazing perk when you're just starting your career.
Feeling excited? Good. You should be. Let's move on to our final and most important section, how to actually secure your spot. This is your game plan.
The process is really clear. First things first, get that resume looking sharp. Make sure you highlight those C++ and systems programming skills. Then, head directly, and I mean directly, to the official NetApp careers site. Search for this specific job ID, 131063-EN_US, and submit your application. It really is that straightforward.
But hold on. Before you rush off and start applying, there is a crucial warning we need to cover. This is all about making sure you apply safely.
Okay, please listen up because this is incredibly important. You should only apply through the official NetApp website. Do not, I repeat, do not use third-party sites or reply to some random email. And here's the biggest red flag of all. NetApp will never, ever ask you for money for a job. If anyone asks you for payment, it is a scam, period.
And finally, a quick word on timing. Applications are being reviewed on a rolling basis. In simple terms, that means they look at them as they come in. It's kind of like first come, first served, so the position could close at any time. The message here is clear. Apply as soon as you can. Don't wait on this.
So there you have it. We've covered the role, what they're looking for, what you'll be doing, and all the rewards that come with it. The only question left is the one you see right here. Is this the launchpad your software career needs? Based on everything we've just gone over, you now have all the info you need to decide. Good luck!